Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Surfers for analyzing the major pairs, minor pairs, gold, crude, silver, US30 Bitcoin. So before we get into this week analysis through Elliott waves, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully. So I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here, and I'm not asking any investment. So be cautious and beware of the fraudsters. So regularly what we are doing every week, so this is our watch list. So starts with DXY. So DXY, as I said, from here last week, whether it is started as a bullish or still one more wave to the downside is also possible. As per my view previous week, whether it is going to be in the WXY formation means it's already ended. Otherwise, if it is an ending diagonal triangle in the Z wave, it has a one more wave to the downside is possible. So nearly 90 is also possible. So how I took it this as ABC is a B and C is a W, or it could be in one in as a diagonal triangle, ending diagonal triangle. So if it is an ending diagonal, that will be a 3333, and if it is an ending diagonal triangle means that a third way could be extended also. So that is why I have written here ABC is a 1, 2, ABC is a 3, so ABC is a 4. Whether it's already uh, completed or it could be a one more way to the upper side and again one more ABCs to the downside is also possible. So just have an and then remove this. Yeah, if it is in W X Y means from here it has to short. Otherwise, if it is still continue, one more low is also possible. So same thing in Euro USD also. It's the same vice versa inverted. Here, whether is a one more way to the downside and then again one more wave ABC to the upper side is also possible, or it could be a C wave also, because from here it's a Y is completed and X is completed. So whether the X is could be a triangle, the same as I explained the last week, or it could be a B is a triangle, the intermediate way. So if it is a B is a triangle, still there is a one more way to the upper side is possible, because if it is a B is an intermediate wave is a triangle, this is a, so B is a triangle, C means 1 2 3 is finished here, so it looks like a fourth wave is going here, or it could be a B and then again one more way to the upper side is also possible to 1.2250 is also possible. So and next we will move on to GBP USD. So as I said, from here it dropped. So whether how it is going from here, it's unpredictable, but this wave I took it this as a W X and ABC is a double intermediate wave for the Y. So this could be an end of the third. So whether the fourth is still alive or the fourth is ended here. So A, B and C is 1 2 3 4 5 in the ending diagonal. So anything is possible because it's already broke the high from here. So that could be the end of Z wave, W X Y X Z. So one complete structure is got ended here. So that is why it's aggressively it's coming down. But one more alternative wave is whether this A, B, C is the end of that third wave completion. We already broke the high, So in case it will do another bigger correction, and again one more A, B, C is also possible. So from here, that is why I have written here whether this length has to happen here. After that 8786 is also fine, or it could be a 1, or it could be an expanded flat also in this correction in the X wave, and then it can shoot. So I'm not going to trade this because I already stopped out here. I know it will hit that my stop and then it has to come down. So because I'm not trading the GBP USD, because of that one, from here I took, because I took it this as an impulsive way. So from here it has to come down, but it already hit my stop, but that time it was a different analysis. So I'm not going to trade this one, but whether if it is a confirmation trade I will enter, but not now, because there is a lot of options here, and the Brexit issue is going on again. So it will, because, and the positionally I will explain you once again. This is a W, X, A, B, C is Y is already completed, and again one more low is also did here. So what I took it here is, this is the intermediate, the Y is completed here and we are in the X wave, and this is a running flat, and one more ABC is possible to break the another low it made. But if you place this X, if you place, one second, yeah, if you place this X here, instead of I took it this as a complex correction in the wave 4, right? This is Y, X, A, B, C is already completed the Z wave. So in that case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is completed. So again it has to be in that bullish side only. So that is why my doubt here is whether the X is completed here. In that case, if it is there, A, B, C is that one trend, the 5 is corrective structure is got ended. Or else if the X wave is still alive, there is a one more low to break this low is again valid. So in this kind of situation, it observes only the fundamental. It's not the technical. Technical shows the two ways is also right. Whether if it is completed here, the X, A, B, C is completed, the Z way is also got over. So in that case, this is a bullish for this bearish, the whole bearish view. So we need to be again one more three-way structure. So whether it is the X is running flat and Z is also possible, or this is the end of the set here, and we are in that down bullish scenario. So that we can't say here. That is why I'm not to trade this GBP USD now. So let's see and whether if it is got a confirmation for the intraday or a little bit swing trade. It's not for the positional. I'm not doing here because I'm looking if it breaks this low, I will be in buy side. But expecting this low, I don't took the position in that GBP USD. Maybe it can again retest this 1.2 in a three-way structure. Could be an expanded flat because it's already broken the high. And if it in the case if it is a three-way structure here, and this portion is an expanded flat, so again this kind of three-way structure has to happen. After that, whether it is going to break this, or from here itself it is going to break this. So here is a confusion, so I won't trade GBP USD. In that case, why I'm doing here is whether the fourth wave is there, again there will be a one more high is possible, or the fourth wave is already completed here, or X wave is already completed here, A, B, C, Z, and Z is also over. So if it is again that X or Y wave, sorry, X or fourth wave is still alive, there will be a one more ABC to the high is again possible. So I won't trade this again and again. I'm repeating that same, and we will move on to AUD USD. So I expected from here, I told that day itself it's looking like a wedge. It can do like here, and then again one more high is also possible, exactly the same. So sometimes we are looking for the wedge and it will convert it into channel. That day itself I have explained that. So now it is a perfect channel. So 1 2 3 4 and 5 is got completed, or it could be another one three-way structure to the downside, and again one more way to the high is also possible. That time this could be a 1 2 3 4 and 5, or this could be an ending diagonal, because I took it this as an y x. So a b c, here is a 1 2 3 4 and 5. For me it is completed here, but I will explain in the 1 hour. See, if it is, this could be an a, 1 second, yeah, this could be a, we'll make it as a blue. So this could be a b, and c is, there is a 1 of red, and this could be a 2, and here you need to look this 1, we will make it as a blue, 2 3, so 2 you can make it here, okay, and then 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 is got completed. So in that the third way is got completed, and ABCA, ABCB and C. So here is the fourth wave in the running flat here. So in that case we will make it this as a red color. So blue is an also a 1 2, the whole thing is a 3, and 4 is completed, and 5 is got already completed. So in that case, as per this wave count, this y as an ending diagonal like this, it can do ended here, or if it is a diagonal triangle wave means this could be a little bit complicated, means this is the end of the third wave. How means this whole thing becomes a b c is a w x a b and c. So this is the end of the third wave. So for the fourth, again one more drop to that 7450, and again it could make a one more ABC to that 77 is also possible. So in that case we need to extend the third wave, fourth, and again fifth is also possible. So in that case 1 2 3 4 5 in the ending diagonal triangle is got completed, and the whole structure is going to end. A B C is W, X is a triangle, again A B C is a W, again X A B C. So this whole thing X Y is extended here, and because this ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, so ABC is a W, X, ABC is a Y. So this is the end of the third wave. Fourth is a complex correction, and another ending diagonal triangle is going to happen, or it's already completed. If it is completed, the Z wave is already completed here, means it has to come down. Otherwise it has a one more wave to the fourth wave is still there, and again one more ABC is to complete that around the 7650 or 77, it is also possible. At that same time this could be a maybe here it's that first wave, and the length of that fourth wave from here, it is 61.8, or it is equal to that 786. What I said is 77. So that is also possible target. Otherwise, if we simply move this here, that 38.2 is also that 77 zone. So everything it is showing that 77. So still there is a chances, or it is going to drop from here. So both are possible. But in New Zealand USD, same what I expected here. As I said, this is a wedge formation, and then it can be a converted into channel. That same thing it happened. So whether again here also it's possible one more high, or this whole thing becomes A, B, and C, means it's already did that fifth wave here. It's looking like the five-way structure. Or it could be again one more thing is, this could be an extended the diagonal triangle pattern, means this is the end of the third wave here. How means this as ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC is a 3, W, X, ABC is a Y. So how we have already did in the previous for that Australian dollar, like that we have to be that Y wave. How here that Y wave is in the diagonal triangle pattern. Each wave 1, wave 2, it's got ABC. Like that, if it is ABC, this could be a wave 1. So this could be a wave 2. So ABC is a W. So we no need to do that. W. So X, ABC. So this could be the end of the third wave. So this is the end of the fourth wave. Sorry. Yeah, fourth wave. And what it will do is one more three-way structure, and then again it can go up to 7150 to 72 also. So in that case, the fifth wave will got over. So all the Z wave is completed. So either this could, the whole thing becomes A, B, and C, means it may already ended here. Or if it is a diagonal triangle pattern, if this is not a leading diagonal in the wave A, we can just remove this. This could be wave ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC as a W, because the third wave is extended, X, A, B, and C. This whole thing becomes a wave 3. After that, the wave 4 is completed, and A, B, and C will be there to complete the structure. Or else, as I said the previous, if it is a B, C, means it may already completed here and be on the downside. So everything it's doing the same in Australian dollar also, the same pattern. Maybe one more way to the upper side to the 77, and here it's a 7150 or 72 is also possible. And the same thing in DXY, what I said, and Euro USD also 1.2250. So it's looking like everything it's got a little bit pullback this week, or up to Wednesday, and Thursday is FOMC meeting. So in that time it may shoot or it can decline here. So within that day, within the Thursday, if it completed that this pattern up to 7.2, so in the FOMC meeting on Thursday in IST, the early, I think so at the 12:30 of early morning, 0.3 hours as per an IST, it may decline. So in that FOMC statement, it could be a dollar bullish also. Or if it is again and again, if it is declined here within that FOMC meeting, it will boost the dollar to the strengthen, and that another all against that will be drop. So if FOMC meeting is I think it's a very key thing. And a lot of this week is a little bit volatility, I think so. I will show you that Forex factory. Yeah, see, yes, the FOMC meetings, USD here is a retail, and OPEC meetings here, and after that, that chef also for that, and again GBP monetary policy statement. So here it's everything. This week may be a key for dollar. So my bias is same thing, there is no doubt. So in that, within this Thursday, from Thursday, it may be a dollar strength, I think so. So let's see how it moves. So next we will, what will be the next is yeah, USD Jpy. So USD Jpy also, I got that one more view. What I said here is WX ABC is could be a Y, again ABCX ABCZ. So this is could be an impulsive wave, or if it is simply, what we have to do is another, if it is a Y is completed, X it could be an X complex correction, and Z can go to the downside. Again it has to break this, and I have already placed that one more buy order at 102.8, what I said in the previous stream also. Otherwise, one more thing is, if it didn't break this high, there is a lot of chances. One more thing is, this is could be a, I will show you here is a ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC is a W, X, ABC. So this is the end of the third wave, because this is an extended. ABC is a W means the third wave is the extended, and ABC is, for instead of this, we can make it this as a 4 also. How means, ABC is a, ABC is a B, and the C. So here we need to place a W, instead of W we can make it as a also. So here it's a B. So this is an impulsive wave, so that could be a C also. So only the C wave, it will be a very fast, and there will be a no more wave counting. See here is how the A, B and C like this. Every C wave or one, see it's a very fast moving like that. This could be a end of that X wave also. So in that case, it no need to break this high. This could be a, say this is the my previous analysis 1 2, so 1 2, but it is not going anywhere. So I will delete remove this analysis as per the last previous week. So this could be a end of the fourth also, and here it's a ABC is a W, and one more, it has to break this high. In that case, this could be an intermediate W, so we can make it as a blue. Yeah, and here if it breaks this high, that could be an X, and one more A. We can delete this also. So this could be an X in case. So this is the fourth wave. Here, so this is a W, X, this could be a 16. Instead of red, we can make it as a blue, and we can go above this, can make it as a green. I will remove this, and I already said this, still one more ABC to the downside once it reached the 100.8, but that is the previous analysis, but we can change it as that. Here it's 104.8, we can make it this as 104.8. after that, here it's a X, ABC is a X, here one more, it's a and B and C. So this could be a red. After that, it will shoot. So we need to make it this as a B. So this is my analysis for this week in UJ. So here it's a one more X is completed and we are in that Z wave. So this could be a wedge formation also, because this is the ending in the final stage. So this could be a wedge pattern also, or it could be a channel also. So within this, again 102.2 is also possible if it isn't draining into the wedge formation. Otherwise it could be another, it has to break this, that's it. If it break that, that is a valid for that, and immediately it has to shoot to break this 112. So 112 is my target. So within this period, gold can go little bit higher also, higher, and silver can go also higher. Let's we will see on that. And let's move on to USD Jpy. So USD Jpy also exactly this, I took it this as a fourth wave, and what I said is whether this is the 5-way structure, so this could be end of the A, one more B wave to that, what the major support zone was broken, that it could be a resistant retest of this 9040, and then again one more drop. That is why I have written here, it's drawn here. Otherwise, if the one more wave is, if this is the end of the fourth wave, this could be a because I took it this as a 1 2 3 4 5. If it is, I took this as a B and C like that. If this is the A and B, C, it if it is there means it is in bullish now. I exactly what I had written here is it can go above this, and again one more low is also possible, and the same thing it happened. So now we can remove this, it's already did. So from here it has to bounce back for the target of 1. The minimum is 1, or it could be again one more three-way structure to the B. So one more drop for the C, and that could be end of the Y wave of X. So as the positionally, and one more thing I need to show here, this wavelength of wave 1 to the fourth wave, it's exactly at 786 here. So this also I took it this as a diagonal triangle pattern of Y wave of this X, W, and this X. So ABC is A, ABC is a B, and C is of contains of 5-way structure. So 1 2 3. So whether here is the confusion, whether the 4 is here or here. If it is 4 is here means it's already got completed, and if it is the 4 is here means one more A B C is also possible, or it could be a very small A B 1 2 3 4 5 is also completed. So mind that it could be anything is possible. From here it can shoot, or one more wave to the downside, and then it's also possible. And as I said, I already added at 8850, and I already written here one more drop to 888800, but I bought at 8850. So now the pattern is one more ABC is done. ABC is done as a flat correction, and C is a there is a bigger flat correction is already completed. So here's ABC, ABC. So what is the next is C wave. So C wave contains of 5 waves. So like this it may happen from here, and my target is the positional target is 1.0350. It has to break this high to complete that structure. So let's move on to what next. Australia, New Zealand, UCAD, I think we need to go to UCAD. UCAD we didn't done. So UCAD also same as it is. This, if it is placed as a W, X, Y, X, ABC, Z is completed, or if this is the end of the third, so one more wave to the fourth is also possible in the three-way structure. At that time the DXY also can go above the three-way structure for the bullish, as I said in DXY here, and one more drop. So like that USD Cad can make happen one more three-way structure to the upper side for the fourth wave. After that one more wave to the downside, so it could reach around 1.26 also. In previous what I said is 1.27, but here as per this, if it is could extended as per the DXY, or if DXY is already reversed, means from here it can shoot, or DXY is not yet reversed and one more low to the 90 is possible, means it can do 1.26 also from here. So that could be a end of the trend here. W, X, A, B, C, Y, and three-way structure as a counting wave is a X, and Y is an ending diagonal, maybe ending diagonal or ending diagonal triangle, all three waves. So after this, my bias is it has to reach that 1.3850 to 1.4. So that is my because it's a lot of three waves here, so it could be like this kind of wave I needed from here to here. So this could be a 1.4, but it may be a very fast, because this wave it's already did like the, because here also ABC is a B, and we are in that again one more, whether this could be a triangle also in higher view. I said in the previous also this could be a Y wave, so X could make it a triangle also. So in that case A, B and C is over, so we need a D wave, so it can reach up to 1.42, and then E, and then it can shoot to the high side also. So anything is possible, but the triangle can be a intermediate wave B, because if it is a W is here, A, B, C, D, E, and then again it can come to the downside also. So the triangle could be a intermediate wave X, or this blue X can be a triangle. So that we will see later. So for this week I'm expecting, because that Christmas and New Year is also there, and so that could be a little bit graining also here for the fourth wave. And before that New Year or after the New Year, it could be a drop, and then again it could be a full-fledged, it can be a bullish. So that is why my bias. So let's move on to now Aud Jpy. So as I said here also, if we took it this as a 5 waves, again there is a lot of chances for the three-way structure. We can make it this as a X, A, B, C, one more high is possible, but what it did here, the small retracement. So whether 1 2 3 4 5 ABC 1 2 3 4 5 is got completed, so that means X here is a 1 2 3 4 and 5, so this could be A, B, C means one more high is also possible, and then again drop. So in that case, this is the A here, this is the B, C is one more high is also possible. So whether this, for this W, I told this as an end, and I am not biased to break this low, because this is the W is very small, so this is more than enough for that correction. So this is a running flat, so A, B, C is a W, and this is a connecting wave X. Here A, B, C is already dead, so one more three-way structure to the downside. After that it can be another one more way to the upper side is also possible, but it's already broken the high. So be cautious, because if it is a small Y wave, this could be an end of the trend also, or again it could continue, means again one more way three-way structure, and again one more way to the higher side is also possible, so that is also valid. But here my target is already completed to break this 78.56 for the Y wave. So whether this Y wave is still extended means, as I said here, it's ABC is a W, X, ABC, Y, and another three-way structure for the X and another ABC for the Z wave. So that could be end of that Y wave. After that, if it is so bullish and UJ is very bearish means, again it can continue still to the upper side to this zone also is possible, 84. How means this is a W, X, so Y approximately if it is ended here means another one more three-way structure, and again Z wave to that 86 to 87 is also possible in that another extended wave. Or if it is a bearish, Australian dollar is bearish than the JPY, it can drop from here itself. So we will move on to Cad Jpy. So as I said, the Cad Jpy, and there is no safe trade, and I have already updated in my Telegram channel as well as in the trading view also. There is no safe trade because there's a lot of opportunities is there. So if I explain, you may get confused, and I said I'm not so satisfied with this triangle, even though if it is break this 81.91, that may be a bullish scenario, but I will explain you here what are the possibilities is there. So for now, if it is the W, this could be a X. So whether the X is completed, so if it is a, if it is a B, C need a five-way structure, but it is not their five-way structure. Or it could be a diagonal triangle. Still we need to watch this pair. It will keep on raining like this kind of wave formation, like this kind of wave formation. It can be again do like this overlapping, and it can reach the target. Otherwise, what is the next means, if the X is still there, because triangle is now invalid, right? If it is a triangle, it has to shoot from here itself. That is another one option. Or if it is not a triangle, once again, if this is not a triangle, right? So here is a one five-way structure has got a. So this could be a, we can change it this, as a blue color. So this A, B, C could be a W. This is a three-way structure. So this could be a X, again one more ABC. So this B can be here also, and after that one more 5s to the upper side, and after that we can label it as a green. Here, right? It can drop from here also. So what will be the next? Why it's dropping here? Means this A, B, C is completed. For this A, B, C, so this could be a W. So this could be an X of irregular flat, and it will do 1.272 from this zone, exactly what I have drawn here. After that, it can go back again one more A, B, C. So lot of possibilities. So this is the another one is triangle. Triangle means it don't want to break this, and again it can reach the target of here. Or if it is an still there is a XY is still alive means it can do like this. So these are the possibilities. Otherwise, if it is a W, if this the X is here, it is a because this ABC is a W. This could be an another A, because I took it this as a five-way structure. So whether it could be a again three-way structure means. So if this is the end of the X wave, A, B, C, again one more drop to this zone is also possible. So anyway, there is no trade for me here, and exactly it is getting rejected in this bearish trend line in this zone. So avoiding this pair and keep on watching this pair is a very worth, I think so, but in my strategy and in my analysis and as per in my view, so I won't trade this one, so I leave this. And what X is Euro New Zealand. So Euro New Zealand, as I expected, same thing what I said here is I'm not going to force this chart as a fourth wave here. So this is not looking like the end of that fifth wave. So I still looking for this ABC is a W or X, ABC as a Y. So still we are in that X wave. And I got one more view is I took it this previous, it's an impulsive wave, and it has a one more wave from here. It can go above that 1.79 because it's already broken this low. So that is the simple book trade. If it is an impulsive A, so from here it has to shoot that was my bias, but it already broken again this low. So that means still we are in the correction. It's not got completed. So in that case, I don't want to force this chart this as a fourth and 5 is completed. Still we are in that only. So still there is not, for in my view, is still this is not the fourth wave. I removing this because I'm not so so satisfied with this here, because as per this as a 1 2 3 everything is here is a perfect 1 2 3 4 5. So here B C is got completed. So this is the Y, and we are in the X wave. What I said here is A. So ABC is a B and ABC is a C. So that is the X wave. So again one more A is possible, or it could be continue as a WXY. So it is in still downtrend, and again there is a one lot of chances for making that 6850, or it could be again 6. This is 1272 for this with the Fibonacci retracement from here to here is 1272. So that is why I have marked this green line. So it is not compulsorily, because that is a powerful 1272 is a very powerful, but if it is still bearish, it can reach up to 1.414 also. So in that case, one more view is, this is my view, so it could be an, if it is an X is completed, this could continue as a W X Y, like that it can drop, and again if it reached here it can bounce also, or if it is still bearish, again it can reach another, what I said is 7 also it is possible, 1.67 also. And one more view what I got here is, I will just remove this. Now in that 1 hour chart I will show you. See, this is a perfect A B. I will remove this also. See, this is a three-way structure: ABC A, ABC B, and C. So this is a perfect W, X, A, B, and C. So this is a perfect one more W continuation. Okay, and if it is bullish, it has to bounce from here itself. It no need to break this low, but already it broke the low. So that means still we are in that correction. So here what we have to do is W, and from here it can go again one more this kind of impulsive wave, whether it could be an expanded flat or it could be an running flat. So for example, if it is a running flat, so we need to be as a green impulsive, and one more A B C. So in that case, this is an X wave, this is a wave, this is a B wave, and C. So after that it is getting ready to break, or still if it is a connection wave for the still further downside. So from here, if it, see, we will just keep this only up to this. So what will be the next means? This could be a triangle also. So ABC is a ABC is a B, ABC is a C, ABC is a D, and one more wave to the upper side for the E wave, and then again drop. So in that case, this could be a triangle in that X wave. So if it is possible, another A, B, C, it can reach up to 1. What I said, 1.67 also. So if it reached there, what will be the next? So why I took it this as an impulsive, I explained here already. So here, and after this as an impulsive, 1.67 approximately, from here this wave has to happen here. So whether that could be an expanded flat, if it is breaks this high, that could be an expanded flat, or if it is again struggling to reach this 1.78, and again it is a drop. So how it will be look means, this A, B, C as a W. So this A, B, 1.67 we can approximately, and then again C. So this could be an again W, X, one more A, B, C. So still we are in the downtrend only. So mind this. This is my view in Euro New Zealand. And what next? We can move to US30. So I no need to show you here. It's already there, right? So here is a B. What I said is this could be a 1, 2, so 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 can make, and it's already did here, right? So perfectly it did. So whether it is in now downtrend or it could make a channel, so still it is a continuing to the uh, downside, for it's a one more wave to the upper side, and again it may drop. So my view is only to drop, because this A, B, C is a W, X is a triangle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A. So this is a B, and I have explained this is not broken this low. So B, and beyond that C is a ending diagonal stage, the wedge formation. So that is my view. There is no alternative change. So expecting this, if you are need to be in sell side, you can make a stop loss approximately, because if you did the stop loss here, it will touch how my GBP USD, it will touch, and that is also valid, and again it may drop. So keep it in your mind as a stop, and then you can took a trade for this. This if it is an end, because this is an, I told this as a 4, so this is not looking like a fifth wave. So the fourth wave is still ahead. So this kind of ABC is a bigger correction is also available here. So this could be a fourth wave as a running flat, and then it has to shoot from here, or it could make a triangle in the fourth wave. In that case, this could be a B, C, D, E, and then again short. So it will be a very longer term trade. So first we will wait for look for this drop. So first target may be here, and that second this thing here, yeah, second is here. Second target, first target, second target. So let's see, because before that also intermediate wave, lot of thing is there. So this could be dropped here, and then it can shoot. That is why I have explained. So everything now I'm looking only for that bearish scenario. So let's move on to US oil. So US oil, what I expected, it's already did. See, from here I said one more three-way structure is possible. Exactly, it did that same, and again it shooted. So in that case, if it is end of that X wave, it can again a bigger drop is also available here, but it has a chances. It has a chances because in my view is UCAD has to go upper side. So in that case, and I have given example in the daily chart also. Previous it's did the same thing here from the 26.05. It did only the 50% retracement, and it did here is 1.414 as an irregular flat, and it did a triangle, and then again it shoot out. That same thing here also, it did A, B, C, and we are in the upper side. So it's the OPEC meeting also. What I said here is OPEC meetings here on that yeah, on Wednesday. So whether it is going to drop or it can be graining like this, and it can reach up to 60. So my target is 60 because one ABC is completed. Mind that one ABC is completed. I'm looking only for that. Is why I'm not shorting this crude. If it is a expanded flat or running flat, it has to come down. In that case, I will be in buy side, not too short, because it's a bullish wave. 5 waves is already completed, and in the left there is no wave to that took it as an expanded or running flat, and it's already broken, so that is got invalid. Now one more A, B, C is got completed. In that case, we need to be in buy side only, because I expected that downside to the $27 to $24. Now it got incompleted. That one is got invalid now because it's already broken. Whether if it is in the case of running flat, sorry, in expanded flat, it can break this. Otherwise, there is still a lot of rooms to the upper side. To the 60 is my a target. So that is why I'm not going to short this. But UCAD and this thing oil, how it will correlate, I'm not able to, because it's not correlating nowadays. So whether if it is a dollar is bullish, either it could drop or it could sustain, because it's a lot of demand in progresses, or if they cut that again that OPEC in meeting, if they cut the production again, it can shoot also. So this based on the fundamental uses, it will be move. Here it's anything is possible. So how you have to trade? No trade. I won't trade. If it is drop, I will be in buy side. Otherwise, I won't short oil. For the intra-term, intraday, if it is a very clear pattern, we can do the shorts, but not all the times. It's not for swing or positional. I won't be in sell side. But if it is confirmed, allow this A wave, and if it is a B wave, allow that also to finish, and then C wave, because it's already got an running flat. It's a irregular flat, so again it won't break this high. So make it this as a stop. If it is A, allow that. B, allow that. Only took the C wave. Here it's a A, allow this B, took the trade. It's a C. So like that we can trade this oil. So now let's move on to gold. Oh, sorry, Bitcoin. We can. No, sorry. Bitfinex. Yes. So that is still, this is the third is ended here. Fourth, fifth is already completed. So whether if it is a B, C, there is no change. The same plan. If this is a B, C, and this could be the W, X in the irregular flat, and whether I'm expecting to that 7.5 or 10 zone as a running flat. After that, it has to took off. Otherwise, if this is an A, B, C, A, B, and C is a W. So this, if this is a W, X, A, B, C, again, if there is a, here is A, B, C is a B, C is a B, C contains of 5 waves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is 22k is also possible in that case. So here is the key how it will move. If it again, if it did the three-way structure, five-way structure, so that we have to make it as a ABC is a B C is a B, and C contains a five-way structure. If it from here itself it declined, so this is W, X, A, B, and C. So that is my view. So there is no change here. If you want, you can just go through my previous video on the last Sunday. I said, so I explained that you can go there. So that is still valid. So now we move on to the gold. So gold also, from here I expected the downside. So here is one doubt for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is completed here exactly. So that is why I said one more A, B, C has to reach here. But it did only this much retracement, and again it shooted and it did a five-way structure. So see, a lot of people's asked me in messages whether this is a five-way structure. It could be because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right, the fourth wave. But nowadays I said this could be a B, C, maybe a small. So in that case, if we took it this as a three-way structure, what is next? It can drop from here itself. Lot of chances, and it is still struggling to break. See, only one time it's broke that channel, and immediately it is dropped on that Vasin news. So still we are in that channel in the median trend line, and it's not yet broken. Again here it's now did that three-way structure here. So what will be the next? Again consolidation, it can go higher and then again drop. So from here it's the key, whether if it is reached that 1809 or 1800, it is going to shoot, or again it is going to decline, because anything is possible now. Why means, if this ABC is a W, this X, here A, B, C is already dead. So this could be a Y, again the connection wave. So that could be reached at 1910 also, or it could again that UJ, how it is doing like that. It can be very grinding here and very messy overlap, and then it can be little bit it can drop to reach that 1650 zone. So I think it may or may not, that is also valid. So expecting this, don't be in buy side. If it reach here, just make a stop loss of this, and then you can go for this. Otherwise, if you want still safe, allow this way. And again, if it bounce, you can make a stop loss of this here, and then again it took the trade here. So like that only, because see, once we know whether this is a B, C is a W, X, A, B, C is a Y, so it won't do immediately to the downside. Like this, it can happen one way, but here we are in still keep on watching that in every three-way structure we need to be in sell side with making a stop loss of the high. So allow this, like this can drop, and here, and one more three-way structure, make a stop loss of this, and here you can took a short, because here the risk will be very less and reward will be a more. So like that you have to trade. Otherwise, if it is can be a maybe a triangle and then again drop also. So in silver it is doing like that, and I have updated that also. In silver it is expect one second. Yeah, silver, there is a lot of rejection in that exact the channel. Perfect. So it still, it is not yet broken. So whether what it is doing, whether it can go back again high and again drop, and again it can be do like this, and again one more way to the three-way structure, and again one more A, B and C. So it can do like this. See, these are all what I'm expecting and I explaining is we need to think a lot of possibilities. Don't stick to one. And how you have to trade means just allow, take a break. On this break you need to allow this wave, and again retesting you are need to short. So like that you have to take a trade, and if it comes, see here, if it comes here you need to again allow this short, make a stop loss here and short. So whether this is the ABC see ABC is a B, ABC C, and it is not yet broken. So again one more low is also here, it can do like this, see. And if you're a scalper, you can make a stop loss of this and you can go for this also, but for my I'm a little bit emotion, so I won't trade like this kind of small trades. I will took only the big trades. So making a stop loss of high, if it reaches here and if it breaks this of 24,300, you can short here. Otherwise you can place the entry here and make a stop loss here and allow this up to here. No need to be too greedy to reach this zone, because it is a triangle. So whether it's A, B, C, D, and it will be small also, and again E. So make a stop loss as a D wave as a stop, and again going for this after break this 21,800. So that will reach you that the first target is 19,700 or 19,500. After that again this kind of retracement will be there, pullback and again drop, because this is a Y X. So this is another W X. So otherwise it could be an X as a triangle. So A, B and again C. So again it has to reach this 16,500 zone. So mind that you can trade. And I think one more we missed, that is in NCAD here. So we will go for that and we can finish the stream. NZD CAD. That is also what I expected, and I have already placed that 9040 stop, and I took the high stop hit because I expected it has to break to the downside to break this, but that got an invalid, and I have explained that. So now we are in that bearish for the shorter term. So I have already posted and I have already shared this exactly. From here it can see, if it didn't break this, still we are, it could be a, because it's already broken this low. So this could be a 1 2, again 1 2 is also there. So intermediate wave 3 4 5, so that could be a 3 and again 4 and 5. So this could be an end of the third, fourth and fifth. So why I'm looking for the five-way structure means I took it this as a this is a five-way structure. See whether this is a five-way structure or not. See, we can make it as 1 2 3 4 5, or it could be, because I'm not, see, one sometimes 1 2, it could be a 3 here, because 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. So in that case this could be a B and C. So these are all lot of thing it's happening, but what we need is this kind of wave formation has to happen here. So whether it is this could be a, if it is a W, this is an X, this is a B, make it sure this is a stop loss because it's already irregular flat. So again, if it is a X, A is means B is not allowed above this A, so that is the stop loss. So this could be a, again B will be a more complex correction, and C can be in 5 waves. Or if it is, this is a, this is a B, means simply it can reach the 5 waves. So in that 1 hour here, it's already broken this low. So this, whether this could be an 1. So these are all the 2. So 3. Otherwise, if it is a B means we can't able to label it here, because this is an impulsive wave 5-way structure. Again, it can do anything. So if it is a B wave, see, if it is a second wave, it has to reach from here itself. It has to drop. Only if it is doing lot of complex corrections, so that will be considered as a B wave. So this could be a B, and after that C wave has to come to the downside. So mind that this could be a X, sorry, this could be a W, this could be a X, A, B, and C. Or if it is A, there is a B, one more C is also possible. But strict stop loss, I have already shorted at 9145. I have already uh, shared that, and I have already banked that 150 pips here. 120 pips, sorry, 120 pips. And again, what I did is only covered only off position. Still it's there, one off position, but making this stop loss as this, I will allow to reach that 8790 up to here. I won't rotate the fourth and fifth wave. So once it reached the third wave, or it could be in a C wave, I will be in buy side for that target to break, because this is a W, so that could be a X. So this kind of wave is target here. So how many pips it's there means nearly 1000 pips it's there. So what will be the here is my target is here 94, right? So whether if it is comes to the 87, so 94 means 700 to 800 pips is there. So it can reach here also. So in that case, that could be an irregular flat of wave X as an expanded flat, and then again there will be a lot drop here. So that we will see later. So this is my bias. See, ABC is a W, and took it this as a connecting wave X. In previous, I took it this as an X, that is an another. So we don't want to get into that, because now what we are seeing is W, X, Y here, and for this is an impulsive wave now. So again A, B, C is completed. So this is an intermediate wave W, X, and we are in that Y wave of this red of this X, double bracket X. Again, what will be there here is this is the A, this is the B, and C has to drop to break this low. That's it. So I think I finished gold, silver, crude, and Bitcoin US30. So everything I have finished. So thanks for watching my analysis, and thanks for liking and sharing. So have a nice profitable week, and we will see in the next week. Have a nice day.